Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, we will be talking about one of the most promising stockbroker of India, that is Alice Blue. Though Indian stock market is cluttered with big names like Zerodha, Upstocks, Motilal Oswal, Sher Khan, but trust me guys, Alice Blue is also a very reputed, reliable name. So if you are a beginner, new trader or an existing trader, doesn't matter, you can go with Alice Blue. So in this video, let's try to find out what makes Alice Blue one of the most reliable stockbroker of India. You can see that Alice Blue was established in the year 2006 and Alice Blue is in business since 2007. They have more than 5 lakh clients with 400 plus employees to take care of us. They are present in 20 major cities and they have 12,000 partners. And Alice Blue is also a discount broker, but the brokerage is less in comparison to others. Usually the discount brokers of India charges 20 rupees, whereas Alice Blue charges only 15 rupees per trade. They have both mobile and desktop version as trading platforms. They have Alice Blue and Mobi 2.0 as their mobile trading platform, and they have Alice Blue and Wave as their desktop trading platform. If you go to the Alice Blue and Mobi 2.0 on Play Store, you'll see that they have a rating of 4.5, which clearly shows the stability and reliability of the mobile trading platform. This is Mobi 2.0 on Google Play Store, and we can see here that they have 4.5 stars and more than 3,000 reviews. The application has been downloaded by more than 1 lakh clients, and the rating clearly shows the trust of their existing clients on the mobile platform. If we open the trading platform, we can see that they have a very clean user interface and they have 5 options at the bottom. The first one is watch list, where you can create your list. You can add your favorite stocks according to your own preference. The second one is orders, where you can see the trade book, the executed orders, the pending orders, etc. The third option is the dashboard. Not only you can see the indices but also the most active stocks, futures. You can also set alerts, and they also have an inbuilt option chain. If you're building your portfolio, then you can see all the stocks that you will be accumulating for the future. Here we can see that they have an excellent pricing. They do not charge anything for equity delivery. So if you're an investor, then you don't need to pay anything. And for intraday, you simply need to pay 15 rupees across all segments. And the best part is that if you invest in mutual funds and IPOs, then you can do it for free. You don't need to pay anything. These are the few advantages of having Alice Blue as your broker. You can go for a flat brokerage of 15 rupees per order. You can trade in any segment with single margin. You can invest in IPOs and mutual funds free of cost. You get timely pay-in and payouts. Their cutting-edge technology trading platforms are excellent. They also provide pan-India multilingual branch support. You can pledge shares without POA, means power of attorney. Then you also get free advanced API. Okay, so if you are a nerd geek, then yes, free advanced API will be very useful for you. You also get free lifetime equity delivery. You get exposure to MTF and CO, means covered order. Then you also get algo trading facility, my dear friends. As we all know, algo is the future. So if you're into algos, then yes, Alice Blue will be a very helpful for you. You can also see that they have a trade store, India's first e-commerce platform for trading and is investment products. Pick a product that fits your needs, improve your trading accuracy and profits. They also have a trade school where you can learn about trading and investing from various market experts. They also have courses and webinars that will definitely help you out in your trading journey. You can see here, opening a DEMAT account is extremely easy. You can just do it in 3 simple steps and it only takes 15 minutes. In fact, less than 15 minutes, okay, if you are already into computers. So guys, if you ask me what makes Alice Blue different, then I'll say that their technology is very good. Then the trade school is an excellent option for new traders and beginners, those who have no idea about the market and those who want to proceed systematically. And if you are into algos and APIs, then definitely Alice Blue can be the solution. You can see here that from time to time they have also won many awards. Okay, so this is also a plus. You can see here that they have also got a huge number of happy clients, so you can also check the testimonials, okay, if you're still thinking whether you should be going with Alice Blue or not. So you can see here 15 plus years of trust, 1.5 lakh plus happy clients, 10 crore plus order executed, and 125 crore plus brokers safe. So my dear friends, if you're also looking for a reliable discount broker and you are tired of paying high brokerage, then definitely Alice Blue can be the solution for you. And my dear friends, as we know it very well that for the last few years, okay, the trading margin have reduced considerably because of the rules and regulations of from SEBI. So if you are into option trading, yes, option trading is the new boom in India. So if you're into option trading, then they have OnlyOption, okay, that have changed the industry completely. OnlyOption is a one-stop solution for option traders. Just watch it. So my dear friends, this is the website onlyoptions.com. Actually it is onlyoptions.com. You simply need to click on login here, and you can log in with your details. And this is the dashboard. This is a perfect hedging tool for option traders. Okay, so this doesn't recommend anything buy and sell, but you first need to determine whether you're bullish or bearish, and it will be recommending you strategies according to your analysis or your prediction. For example, I'm bullish on Nifty, so you can simply click here buy call, sell call. You can see here the strategy creator will be recommending you strategies, or you can simply go to the margin, benefit and hedge strategies. Simply click here. You will see 3 strategies here: recommended, low margin, low hedge cost. You can see that maximum profit unlimited, maximum loss is 15,000, maximum profit unlimited, maximum loss minus 6,000, maximum profit unlimited, etc., etc. So with the help of this tool, you can determine your loss before only. So this is a very useful tool for option traders, okay, if you're really into hedging, because as we all know that hedging is a big part of the option trading. Okay, so if you really want to become a good hedger or even become an expert on hedging, trading, then definitely OnlyOption can be very useful for you. In fact, apart from these strategies, okay, they also have many useful tools, like they have the open interest, they have the straddle premium, they also have option chain, many more. Okay, so feel free to check out. The link is in the description. Go with aliceblue.com and become awesome.